I'm Morgan Mills with FloodGate Medical. I'm a senior talent director here at FloodGate. I lead our cardiology and vascular talent acquisition. I think cardiology is probably one of the fastest paced verticals of the industry. They're always innovating, always making less invasive procedures for patients, just impacting so many areas of medicine, whether that's just chronic heart failure, atrial fibrillation, which is constantly on the rise. With congestive heart failure, you have, total occlusions, plaque buildup, and there's so many companies out there in that big umbrella that are just making and constantly innovating to make the best patient care, the best interventions, and ultimately just helping overall patient care and improving outcomes, which is always the goal. So it's a fun space. I'm constantly learning and I love it. I actually have an ICU nursing background, so I took care of tons of heart failure patients, and it's really awesome. I mean, even just being out of practice for 3 years, seeing the innovation that I've already seen in my clients or prospective clients. So I get to still kind of hands-on find the talent that's getting these products in the physician's hands, and that is probably my biggest reason for loving the space. And I love finding new clients to help find that right talent to get these products in the right hands. Call me, text me, reach out on LinkedIn. I'm always happy to help. I luckily get to work in it every day and talk to execs. So yeah, reach out in any way. Looking forward to helping you guys find talent to continue to make an impact.